so you tweak your back again. Don't worry, because our resident physical therapist, Gerald Alano, has got 4 stretches to help give you some relief so that you can start moving again and do that with less pain. Check it out.
So the first thing to remember is you shouldn't wait until you have no pain at all. It's much better to get moving as soon as you can and get the blood flowing. The best movements to start off with are going to be unloaded and really small motions. So a really nice one to start with is unloading your back a bit. So you're going to line your back and bring one knee up to your chest. And the other one, concentrate on continuous motion, but slow and steady, not going into feeling like you have to have like a massive stretch, but just feeling like you can get the back moving, get some fluid pumping. Eventually you can do both knees. You want to look at going within a range of motion that's a little bit uncomfortable, but as you do it, it feels better. Feels worse, you're probably doing too much. So here JJ is demonstrating another unloaded movement. You're sitting and you can have your hands and your elbows propped up on a table, on a desk in front of you, and you're just slowly taking yourself through that spinal range of motion. You can also do this standing with a countertop and all of that. But the basic idea is that you're unloading your upper body and you are just gradually improving your range of motion. Also remember, it's okay to take pain medication. Of course, you don't want to grow dependent on it, but it can be really helpful to take the edge off and be able to do more of these good movements that we're talking about. So up next is standing with some support. Again, you can be at the counter, use a chair, anything that's stable, and you can gently swing your legs back and forth. And again, really small oscillations, and then as you feel better, you can start improving it, but there's no need to rush it. So if you're doing a movement and the pain is getting significantly worse, then you're probably doing too much. So on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being, just a little bit of pain, nothing really major, to 10 being the worst pain, you should be hovering between a 3 and a 4. And then that's pretty good. You get some discomfort, but you're actually nudging towards getting better. And if that stays about there, actually, you might even feel it improve as you go on. That's perfect. That's where you should be at. And here JJ is demonstrating using the wall support and using that to help you bring your spine into extension, flexion, again, just feeling like you can oscillate, get some movement there that's relatively pain-free, and see how you do, see if that can improve over the next coming days.